But I guess I'm recording now.
Not recording.
I'm recording.
Alright, go now. Alright, clown here. Getting ready to get these clown here. Right here.
Okay, but your pants is unzipped, but that's cool.
Nah,
Okay.
Don't stop. You better keep going. You still going? You didn't stop, did you? Don't laugh at my video. Make your ass kicked. Look. Clown here. Getting ready to go to the field tomorrow. See, I got Jack ready. We got our lipos charged yesterday, man. So we're about to start packing. Got to bring an extra SD card. Can't forget my cool shade in case it's too sunny. Yeah, I got these from Tom Cruise. Hey, my pants ain't on the ground today either. Y'all stop looking at my pants. Now, we're going to put our batteries in here. Hope these suckers don't explode. I already got 2 in them helicopters right there charged already. So, I ain't got much room, man. Let me see, I'll take my picture gauge. I need to take 2 extra batteries for the camera. I guess we got about 8 gigabytes of space here. We got another card in the camera too. A few 2Ls just in case. I ain't gonna be able to bring my whole toolbox, but just for some minor things, you know what I mean? And, now put my Boyd in there. I hope he's gonna fit. Oh no. Wait. I'm gonna have to put my radio first. You stay right there, stop moving. This stuff better fit, man. There. Oh, shoot. Got about my camera stand. That ain't gonna blow. Oh, I'll just take this in the truck. We got a friend coming over. The truck gonna ride us to the field tomorrow. Guess we all packed up and ready to go. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta go get my chair. There we go, now we all set and ready for the field. And you dudes keep making fun of my sciatic nerve condition. You just remember, your mama or you might have this problem one day, and she'll be walking around here going, "Have you been making fun of anybody else about the way they walk?" I don't think it's funny. But you can laugh anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the videos at the field. Cut.